Okay, and up next, let's set up the toggle dropdown functionality. We're going to do that by setting up the state variable. That's why I imported the useState. By default, it's going to be false. And then every time we'll click on a button, essentially, we'll set it equal to an opposite. So notice we have this button, and at the moment we have console log, but we'll use the function and we'll set the value equal to the opposite. Now, the way functionality is going to work, we're going to check inside of the div for that value. And then if it's true, then we add dropdown and show dropdown. And if it's false, then it's just going to be dropdown. Now, the end result is going to look like this. Notice we can toggle the dropdown. And the logic, let me go to the navbar. And the logic basically here is like this. If we remove the show dropdown, then of course the dropdown will be hidden. Or if we add it, then it's shown. That's why we have that logic over there. So I guess let's start by setting up that state variable. Let's say here, in my case, I'm going to go with show logout. And then let's go with set show logout. And we're going to go with use state. And let's pass in the default value, which is going to be false. Then let's keep on moving. And where we have toggle logout dropdown, let's invoke the set function. So set show logout. And like I said, we'll just set it equal to an opposite value. Let's grab the state value and let's add exclamation point in front of it. And then where we have the div, let's set up that ternary operator. So first, let's check the show logout. And then if it's true, then we will display both classes. And if it's false, then only one. So let me take the string here, set it first. And then if the value is false, then of course we'll just have the dropdown. Let's navigate back to the big screen. And now every time we'll click on a button, we'll toggle our logout dropdown.